This is the Ulanzi MT16. This is great because it's a tripod, but also a selfie stick, but it's a small selfie stick. It doesn't go up very high, but it's a good desktop height. So if you're just trying to get something like that, it has the screw thread on the top with a dial on, so you don't have to twist your camera around. You can just put it on there. You can use anything from like GoPros to like smaller, like heavy, like smaller, bigger cameras, but smaller, bigger cameras, if that makes sense. It has a nice ball head on the top, so you can swivel it around and get the shot you need. Kind of a good length, because really with a GoPro, you want to be about 2 feet away from your face so you can keep it all in focus. So it does have that good length for talking, and it's really compact. It's got nice tripod legs as well, so you can stand this thing up and even, get some height to it. And also I love that there's a cold shoe on the side, so you can put like a light or a microphone or some other accessories over on the side. Really great product, highly recommended. Thanks for watching.